Anyway, I'm home now, and I'm not going to shed any more tears over you, Dan. I accepted it. I figured it out. I just wish I could go back in time for a do-over. But you can't do that in life, so I guess the whole thing is really just my fault. So, babe, it was nice experiencing you for these 8 months. And bye, Dan. I did love you. For me, it was real. I'm not even going to cry anymore. I just can't. There's no more tears left in my eyes to cry over you. It's just not. So I'm going to go to sleep now. Bye, Dan. I did love you. For me, it was all real. For me, it was real.